Yeah, there was something in the whiskey, got me thinking maybe we can have it all. Yeah, after all, now it's heel toe and around we go. It's a rodeo, but not my first, baby. Blue tap and you pull me back, hell yeah.
Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flash flood warning for Charleston County in southeastern South Carolina until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms with heavy rain over downtown Charleston. The risk for flash flooding will increase as heavy rains linger. A quick 2 inches could fall in some areas. Road closures are possible. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include downtown Charleston, Marion Square, Medical University of South Carolina, Columbus Street Terminal in the Citadel. This includes Interstate 26 near mile marker 221. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Report flooding directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 1-888-383-2024 or email your reports to nws.charlestonsc@noaa.gov.